you know, I wouldn't really recommend you playing this game about how addictive it is. So one more run loop is extremely strong. It's like great action game that is like different style comparing to the past. So this is like huge thing. Pixel art is beautiful and full of personality. Also, soundtrack is vibe. A village building between runs adds a long-term progression. Tons of building stat boosts, unlockables, and layout options. So that's great too. Demo progress carries also into full game. So 15 characters, each totally unique. Then synergies feel powerful and fun to discover. Some characters completely change the rules. Also short but meaningful runs. So you have 10-20 minutes per run. Perfect some like even Steam Deck or morning coffee gaming, or like something where you're like waiting somewhere for like 20 minutes. You can just like do it. The cons, it's late game becomes too easy. So the game is then like way easier in later. Repetitive after 20-30 hours, but even 20-30 hours it's insane. Meta progression can feel grindy. And then enemies often feel like bumpers, not threats. So if you want like pure skill-based roguelite, this won't satisfy. And if you had the grind or idle mechanics, same story. But other than that, like this game is insane, and it's like it's a good choice if you want to like buy it. But just like be aware, it's like constant cheap dopamine or like cocktail in the body.